Hello everyone, today we solve question 8 of exercise 4.3. The question is, a train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. जो ट्रेन है एक यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड से 360 किलोमीटर की डिस्टेंस को ट्रेवल करती है. If the speed had been 5 kilometer more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. अगर जो ट्रेन है जिस सेम ही स्पीड से 360 किलोमीटर की डिस्टेंस कवर करती है, अगर उस स्पीड को 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर मोर कर दिया जाए, या फिर बोल सकते हैं कि उसकी जो ट्रेन है उसकी स्पीड यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड से 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर मोर होती, तो जो ट्रेन है उसी सेम जर्नी को 1 आवर लेस टाइम टेक करती सेम जर्नी में. Find the speed of the train. We have to find the speed of train. Let the uniform speed of the train be x km per hour, and it is given that the distance is 360 km. When the uniform speed of the train be x km per hour, then the time taken by train travel 360 किलोमीटर. 360 किलोमीटर को ट्रेवल करने के लिए जो ट्रेन है वो टाइम कितना लेगी. टाइम वी नो दैट द टाइम इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड. Then the time taken by train to cover 360 kilometer will be 360 upon speed, that is x kilometer per hour, and then the time will be 360 upon x hour. When the speed of train will be 5 kilometer per hour more, then speed will be x plus 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर. जब जो स्पीड है ट्रेन की यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड क्या है, x किलोमीटर पर आवर, और जो अगर हम ये जो ट्रेन है उसकी स्पीड 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर मोर होगी तो इसकी स्पीड क्या होगी, x प्लस 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर. एंड द टाइम टेकन बाय ट्रेन travel 360 kilometer will be 360 upon x plus 5 hour, and it is given that it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. It means ये जो टाइम है इस टाइम से 1 hour लेस है. अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन 360 upon x plus 5 equal to 1 hour less of 360 upon x, or we can say 360 upon x minus 1. ये जो टाइम है 360 upon x plus 5, ये टाइम 360 upon x से 1 hour कम है, तो इसको हम एल्जेब्रिकली राइट कर सकते हैं. 360 upon x plus 5 equal to 360 upon x minus 1. Now by taking in LHS it become 360 upon x plus 5 minus 360 upon x equal to minus 1. By taking 360 upon x in LHS it become negative, and by taking LCM will be x multiply x plus 5, and we take 360 as common. By taking 360 as common, here remain 1 and here remain also 1, or we can write it as, by taking 360 as common, it will be x plus 5, 1 upon x plus 5 minus 1 upon x is equal to minus 1. And by taking LCM of x plus 5 and x, the LCM will be x and x plus 5. By dividing x plus 5, in this term remaining is x, and multiply with 1, we get x. By dividing this term by x, we get x plus 5, and multiplying x plus 5 with 1, we get minus of x plus 5 equal to minus 1. By transferring 360 in LSS, it will be divided, or we can write it as minus 1 upon 360. And here x multiply x plus 5 and x minus multiply plus x, it become minus x and it become minus of 5. And minus cancel by minus, we get minus 5 upon x multiply x plus 5 equal to minus 1 upon 360, or minus cancel by minus, and by cross multiplication we get x multiply x plus 5 equal to 5 multiply 360. X multiply x plus 5, x multiply x, it become x square, and x multiply 5, it become 5x equal to 5 multiply 360, it become 1800. And by transferring 1800 in LHS, it become negative, and equation will be x square plus 5x minus 1800 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, and we solve this quadratic equation by quadratic formula. Here a equal to coefficient of x, that is 1, and b equal to coefficient of a equal to coefficient of x square, that is 1, and b is coefficient of x, that is 5, and c is constant term, that is minus of 1800. And the quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac upon 2a. By putting the value of a, b, c, we get x equal to minus b, that is minus 5, plus minus root of b square minus 5 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is minus 1800 divided by 2a. A is 1, and we get minus 5 plus minus square root of minus 5 square become 25, and minus multiply minus, it become positive, plus, and 1800 multiply 4, we get 7200 plus divided by 2, we get minus 5 plus minus 25 plus 7200, it become 7225. 7225 divided by 2, and square root of 7225 is 85, and we can write it as minus 5 plus minus square root of 7225 is 85 divided by 2. By taking positive sign, x equal to minus 5 plus 85 divided by 2, and minus 5 plus 85, that we get plus 80 upon 2, 80 upon 2, it will be 40. By taking negative sign, x equal to minus 5 minus 85 divided by 2, minus 5 and minus 85, it become minus 90 divided by 2, and we get minus 45. And we know that x is the speed of the train, and we know that speed cannot be negative. Since x is the speed of train. It cannot be negative. Therefore, x is not equal to minus 45, or we can not take x equal to minus 45. That's why x is equal to 40, or we can say the speed of train x equal to 40 km per hour.